medisi na kai say your friend Anochi Badwam say Badwam so ne nhwa stories ahodo egu ye online portal no so adomonline.com myjoyonline.com and some no egu ho no mo na yembo bi so ma se be ya won so be ya wakono na be kono wetimi akwakenkan bie na we NDC amoyoko na nam di afrase o se galamsey fight targeted at NDC faithful na so mampanyita da John Dramani Mahama na ka say said ye wo chiremu a MPP amoyoko ya na sa aban a woteso no nani abre gidigidi se o tu galamsey ase no galamsey no mugidi se wo mo a NDC amoyoko ni mu oye bie no ene wodi wani edi wachi sanso ni mpasa amanfo bi wa MPP amoyoko no utu SS ka gu omotom nanso aban ya no se de wo hu wo no ho nsem e wo ho that wada amampacho we bie ma me female student turn to sport betting amid economic hardship sa sports betting ho asem no na yenkenkan mu ni enhwe student be no school be mu ene wo na yeni sa nkomaite osanse hia me ba ngumasua ho sei a na esa ye ma asem a ya na ehia me pa that yenko na menhwe se de munchemu no esi etie e wo ho oba be ya school be no woko na yeni sa enkomoyi. Female students in Ghana are breaking their status quo by engaging in sports betting, according to the Student Representative Council, SIC, President of the University of Professional Studies, Accra, UPST. Wow. Nese Majesty EK Ofori didn't say me to Jana. Yenua GTV, one on breakfast show, and no didn't say me to Jana. What you say? A married one, near more yet, yam or mabber, Swintin, say, bet no back of Brand will craft phone no me, so yes, watch at you. Or Betty Ahre or check it out, no sebe farmer no neja the ono so to me di kakra na wo de ahre ne how far nti emu ensem enie na wo chemu a enka o my Ghana mu no manfo do no adwen ye wo mo se ye mema ne pe bet no che se hwe e se ma no nyina nkanka o mo wo school mu no o mo de o mo ho agimu abekọ no oba wo twa bet ne dendenden ekoyie ma no ade wo die no wono so ne ho be ha no na che se emu nsem ewo eye adomonline.com yenhwe other stories na yenwura enunsu mu enhwe ade said the stories na tie na ye bobo so ma mako no o say naked demo hits NDC over Dumelo na say we no ayawa so west wogo na asem na ye kan ana say ayawa so central panyi Dumelo ho na ye hia ayawa so west wogo no maybe ana no omuji omudin no okay Adom say naked demo nipa I think the exciting one that you man say memma say omu nyina na ebe woro memma de woro ho kra ho hia na omo woro so manaka bi ana omo woro ni na ye ro ye ho bra ebo ye nyoma bi ekese ani abre yes ba manyo sem de obo woro ho enfa bread and butter bi am emre ya na say west se ni pa kosi akan na menim de nti omo woro ho de one boss aye woro no I think that demo no offense is more. Yeah, raw. Na say no so e offense o. So be bad de ja nanti abonte. E na me ka che na kaze. Minim de nti omo se sa na tie dia, you know, but say NDC for I was West Wagon constituency Accra has say they are fuming with anger over what they alleged to be attempt to impose a parliamentary candidate on them. They say grassroots including women group in all the 13 wards of the constituency are angry to the court, threatening a naked demonstration over the attempt being made by some. Wow. Let me suggest, Mr. Oye Oba was our constituency, not your air and the crowd. Don't waste your energy and your time. Talk about the job. It's waste of time. I demo. Say I don't really want to use my energy on this one. Because say no the bread and butter and the constituency that may improve my NDC me I call a power. Do it. If that is what you think you want to do, forgetting about say we are should be many baby. Oh, dignity. You know, that kind of a manual seminar I think 13 years or 20 years back. At this point, no sane human being should do this sacrificial job so maybe pam home. Oh, I want and watch na mama you could be penny for us some money. No almost on better Sunday. And when we are not sure about that, yeah, who come for to say, oh, a braford will be a way. Yeah, a brandy beer in 2 and more. Oh, David, in your home. And it is just to tell all of us, a man yourself, who will match a wagon until once a petition or court or you understand? There are so many ways I will him dear come a boakra, and the more chairman I radiators are friend the council.
ya trasa nyoma emma amanyo semintimi fa yenko yanim na bribia da etwe yesen ti ebia we no some of those comedy ni bi no we take it as such but NEPA say the school fees and light bill water bill na aduane wasem edan wasem abrabo mu nkomo say the mosia ye hye no yen ka say nkodi political party achi enso ense breni adaje entutuwa wa brabo ejeje
so wo adija
ensusu aso no ebeba debi no ho ankasa be no hu se wotu sa na mo ye onipa be bredi amanyoku achi edi omo kra abo afode ewi achi ni baby omo hye kodo you might think that they never even joined that political party
obi ani ba kwa asay
love your political party but don't just fool around because this is the political party also done do political party I have my political party you have your political party but let's be careful and measured among yourself na ye no awura ye mu ama edi yaw ni otani ani brebi ana efefe wo nyina yemu and that's not what we want to achieve timisremo it's not that yes you be gina yes you any political party and yes you because you dey tribe she jema can't no we are assuming a position say Ghana di anim kan and say na political parties na ba enti say MPP no mo sin to abo mo dwumadi o mo di ma ese say nyina nya akukuduru whether we CPP NDC MPP nya akukuduru ka for the Ghana interest say NDC na say sin to na ba we are shaping our minds for development and progress. We are not shaping ourselves and our political party for greed and for few people to enjoy the comforts of this country. That's not a nation building issue. Timisremu kikakikam ka na dia emfa hwe ma. E bie suku. Just 1 week. E be fees. We should have an environment ebema obi anya na so ne dia okutua fees na onkasa. Cateresi enkwa insuo ya mixing with it's a deal with the these are the conversations we need to have. Oko Jomen na tomato spin rubber no for 95 cedis
90 any oko ya che oko da be
atra dia be last 2 weeks on baby
maybe 100 na oko be say 150
so enyesi ye kan but as say hye ho sa times are tough we agree but as I say enso ya fa kwan bi so hye nyoma yi so at any nipa bebre ntua light bill omo ye connections ECG for kan wase water bill nipa bebre ntua these are the conversations adwuma ni ho ma mabunu so omo nya adwuma no so omo pese omo de 1 day and 1 month ekoto trasa koto V8
you want to cash out
okoye hospitals say that so that bench so in fact hospitals ni bi ni ye bottom ni increase e bi da form. These are the conversations. And yet unnecessary among yourselves aside ehuna eba system nim. Esram ya sha na pass am enya me December because me magufi am fa ways and means to pay their school fees and ensure their upkeep. So let us all benefit from what we do as a country on a daily basis. So what's not true to now TC the a passenger phone no ACD nkomo your how it's solve it's solvable. So the level of indiscipline and constitute with Ghana police service. Are you not worried? The Ghana need Tunisia police need bully ditchy a chimney so you can imagine a 2-hour door a war and fear on register. These are the conversations and then we have for a boo. We are 42 because illegal mining a Jaffaso. It is our illegal mining I can't in a yemfino. See, I'm why who and now. A China in never crane so from an any board and then they won't even talk. Mimi to Ebia na assume video bit matter. Ya pomu din won sem ye duane ya ye DSS. Sa agudi a tunu for my into on the kwaso no.
Chemicals.
Mesra wa ene se obedi di prince no kra na e adom. Ntu manage.
We no bono we abe tu hono.
O manage. These are all the conversations. Teacher for so more tata ye mama nkete e wo sukuu mu nyina. These are the conversations.
Yes.
It's going on. A teacher form binumo mema no kwada nkete e di omo e ko sukuu no. Na omo sesi omo fefi omo. These are the conversations. A teacher for no so binumo university so upon for ni bi so mani bi so modern boy zero ba one na anya bibia yinti no. Oba ne ba o ama o mani mu apoafo o pass na mnako. And now you be quite adwuma mkura na hwe ne modern boy otimi say we wako school nie ene obi wa ban adwumam ya sora be gina he ono yeso ko 8 ana 8:30 obedu adwumam 12:30 obesa afa ne bag akofie be 2:45 odu ya nso Quran and as a Bible and say little papers afa almost 1 hour. So what are we doing to ourselves? Why are we pretending that we are developing ourselves when we know we are not doing that? Fire service for a problem. Ombetuka hwi yakodu baby a ye koyi nsuo na free no ye secure so ubugu a no vote nti ene e betare wasa na ye wusa na ene o ma hihye sa. Why do we do this? Nana no musu ani da omusu ebi no musu no ensase ne galamsey anomay frosters no monam eni munyama e wo chieftaincy mu nanam bi mu tutu na jeje mu. Why are we doing this? These are the issues. Ti edbesia no joba ka bia edbesia ensema hodo atojo de oboka atem ye de bebro no achi meka say na akwa ya wada asemi dika afi meka say ago kansi wo honom na masa ka say your interviews from ko ebe ya ma na mpesi mu bre no ya tenase nti mesre wo so ano pa bia na say ma man mu ehun ya Ghana man ye wara man no say wo to a you need to understand it. I say wo worship nyame a wo to worship song a wo to no wano fafa akete. So maybe a year boss patriotic songs no o mind dey ye ejina me ne wo so ya asasini now sa nyoma no na ese Kenya o hini mua enye wani wo so aton sa ase aba nipa fo
ya twese kan wo so
hini mua enne development aye kan wasem e wa have Kenya ase ne miami awdo ne bi ese wa there ese wa KVIP na ye desa KVIP KVIP na yina ya bosi. Oh, we have a problem in this country. It was na MPP ni ndc nti no koreka yen central for kwan so akwai a problem. Aje didi atem. Ubi TV, ubi radio, ko social media. Didi atem nko. Are we not tired? The Chronicle says teachers get 62 million Ghana golden handshake from Education Ministry. NDC MPP test damn Paris testicular fortitude. And the Daily Graphic prioritize non-communicable diseases to achieve SDGs. Discussants, like I say, big one here. Revenue mobilization drive. Government throws weight behind ECG. Move necessary for defraying debt owed power generators. Retrieve steady leave money from lecturer. Public Accounts Committee, Duisburg Technical University. The anchor say, Minister abandons a Cropon seat for Samia Uku, runs to Okaikwe North, asking Crunchy, Issa Fuseni parliamentary ambition in limbo, and big stone mining to be shut down if there's a conditional clause there. Keta NDC in disarray over East Legon billionaire, and once more. The Ghanaian Times say, refusal to file annual returns, financial statements, ORC, Registered General say blacklist 2,812 churches and others to remove names from register of companies. And to check your company, anyway, to say, or GRA deploys 5,000 TSOs to assist property rate payers to register and pay. And ECG bust 52 customers, recovers 750,000 power theft. And the big one here, Daily Guide say, MPP NDC chase IGP over Mahama and Brian. And University Dawn Lord's education reform. And Wasem Ewa. VIP also rescues boy. Baumia beats Alan in MPP primary survey. What they say, Aba. So we are holding Baba. And Chamia Masubos or Mahini beats Osmo in the parliamentary bid, Ayawasu East. Mr. Assembly of Why
are more men committing suicide than women in Ghana? Adom.com. They need jam on the Yebusa. I didn't know men do one way show more comfort a chain. Pressure near one man is on a dosso. Pressure no more. Yeah, Momayan so Mumuka cry. They be a mecase. It would be our own Yankupon, Shirani be shy young man on some. Some say we are good managers. Senyamidi nshirani bisha won samwa enkase wona wo yetire entifakane nyina usomu no no susomu na asomdua ba ebusa ya da ye ho abasese ya ba semidika ebeto
oba kayiri